Happy morning, children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. Today's value is be kind to everyone. We have to be kind to everyone around us. Okay, children, I hope you will be kind to everyone. Then only we will be happy and others will be happy. This is a good habit. Okay, children, today we are going to learn a new topic, my home. What we are going to learn? My home. My home. We have already seen who are there in our home, isn't it? Who are there in our home? Yes, there will be a father, mother, and you. And if you have brother, there will be a brother. And if you have sister, you will have your sister in your home. And some of your family have grandfather and grandmother in your home. Okay, children. We have already seen who are there in our home. Now we are going to learn what are the rooms in our home. What are the rooms in our home? Our home has many rooms, isn't it? Now we are going to learn what are the rooms in our home. And each room has different name. Shall we learn? Okay, children. First we are going to learn the room. First room is living room. What is the room? Living room. See the picture for living room. See here, this is the picture for living room. This is how the living room looks. Okay, children. See here, what are there in the living room? There are many furnitures and television and many things are there in a living room. Yes, children. What we will do in our living room? Yes, we will watch TV. We will spend some time in the living room with our parents, and if any others outsiders come to our home, we will welcome them and ask them to sit in the living room and speak with them, spend time with others. And if any relatives come to our home, we will ask them to sit in the living room and we will spend some time in the living room, children. Living room. See here the picture for, this is the picture for living room. Okay, children, shall we learn the spelling for living room? Can you identify the letters? Tell with me. L, I, V, I, N, G. Living room. R, O, M. Living room. Living room. Okay, children, see here, this is the picture for living room. Okay, next we are going to learn the next room is kitchen. What is the room? Kitchen. Okay, children, who will be there in the kitchen? And what we will do in the kitchen? See here, the picture for kitchen is this. Who is there in the kitchen? Yes, mommy is there in the kitchen and cooking food for us. What we will do in the kitchen is, we will cook food in the kitchen. See here, children, kitchen is the second room and see the picture for kitchen. See here, many vessels and utensils are there in the kitchen and she is preparing, mommy is preparing food for us to eat in the kitchen, children. Okay, shall we learn the spelling for kitchen? K, I, T, C, H, E, N. Kitchen. See here, children, kitchen. Kitchen. This is the picture for kitchen. Okay. Next, what room is this? Bedroom. What room is this? Bedroom. What we will do in the bedroom? Just think. Yes, we will sleep in the bedroom. See here, this is the picture for bedroom. There is bed and we will lie in the bed and take a full rest and sleep in the bedroom. What we will do in the bedroom? Yes, we will sleep well in the bedroom. Okay, children, we will have some rest in the bedroom. How many hours do we want to sleep each day? Yes, 8 hours. I have already told you in the last class itself, children. We have to take enough rest. We have to sleep at least 8 hours per day in the room, bedroom. We have to take rest. Okay, children. Now shall we learn the spelling for bedroom? B E D bedroom. R O O M bedroom. Next children, next room is study room. What is study room? See the picture for study room. See here, this is the study room. What the children are doing? What we will do in the study room? Yes, we will learn. We will study. We will do our homework and read the homework in the study room. The study room is the place where we do our homework and where we learn. Is the study room. See the picture for study room. Okay, children. Now shall we learn the spelling? S T U D Y. Study room. R O O M. Study room. This is the picture for study room, children. Next, see here. What is the room? Bathroom. What is the room? Bathroom. We will take bath. Is the place where we take bath is the bathroom. Children, see the picture for bathroom. Yes, after we wake up, we will go to the bathroom and fresh up ourselves for the new day, isn't it? Okay, children, this is the place where we get fresh up. Okay, children, bathroom. B A T H. Bathroom. R O O M. Bathroom. Now, shall we see how many rooms are there in a home? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, study room and bathroom, children. Now, we are going to learn what are the things we should not do in our home, children. We should not be careless, isn't it? We should be careful while we do all that work. Okay, children. We should be careful, children. Okay. Now, see what are the things we should not do in our home. We should not do in our home. We should be careless. Okay, children. When we are walking in staircase. When we are walking in staircase. See here, children. When we are walking in staircase, we should watch the steps and foot and keep our legs in the staircase properly, children. Next, we should not run in the staircase. We should walk in the staircase. If we run, we will slip down and fall, children. We should not run in the staircase. We should watch our steps while we are climbing in the staircase, children. Next, we should keep our things safely, isn't it? If we are careless, we will put the things in the down, children, so it will become waste, isn't it? So when we are walking, when we are having some things, we should be careless while handling the things, children. Next, okay, children, see here. Next, what she is doing? What she is doing? Yes, she is having the candle in her hand, isn't it? Can we have a candle in the hand with burning light? No, children, this is wrong. We should not do this. Okay, children, instead we have to keep that in a glass or keep the plate under it. We should not have the candle in our hand. If it burns, the candle will melt and fall in our hand. We will be hurt, isn't it, children? So, we should not do this in our home. We should not do this in everywhere. Okay, children. Next. See here what the boy is doing. What the boy is doing is he is firing the matchbox. Can we do that? No, we should not do this. We are kids, isn't it? We should not handle the matchbox. It gives fire. It will burn and our hands will be hurt, isn't it, children? So we should not burn the matchstick. Okay, children. Next, what she is doing? This kid is doing is she is cooking. Then she is touching the hot vessel. If we touch the hot vessel, what we will have in our hand? Yes, our hand will be hurt. Then our hand will pain children. Yes, isn't it? Okay, so that we should not touch the hot vessel. We should not go in near the hot vessel when our mummy is cooking. Okay, children. Next, what this kid is doing? Yes, this is very dangerous. The kid's hand is wet, isn't it? Full of water, isn't it? Then she is on the switch. She is switch on the for light. Can we? When our hands are wet, if we switch on, we will get shocked and it will risk our life, children. So we should not touch the switch in the wet hand, children. Next, what is this kid is doing? Yes, she is playing with the cracker in the inside of her home. We should not burst the crackers inside our home. We should burst the crackers outside of the home. Then while burning the crackers, we should have bucket of water. After each cracker burn, we should drop the half bottle of water in the cracker, children. This is very useful. Now it's time for Diwali, isn't it? So we should not keep the burnt crackers as it is. We should drop some water on the cracker. Yes, otherwise we will risk our life, children. Okay, children. Shall we recall once again? What are the things we should not do? Yes, we should not run on the staircase. We should walk as footprints, children. Next, we should not have candles in our hand. Instead, we have to keep the plate. Then we have to take the candles. Next, we should not burn the matchstick until the stick is over. Okay, children. Next, we should not touch the hot vessel. Next, we should not touch the switch in the wet hand, children. Next, we should not burn the cracker inside our home. We should use the cracker and burn the cracker outside our home. Then we have to keep a bucket of water, and after burning we have to drop some water on the cracker. Next, children, this is for your question. If your cloth get burnt in the fire, what you will do? What you will do? You will run to your mom. No, we should not run while our dress gets burnt. We should instead drop down and roll your body in the down floor. Next, your fire will be gone. Okay, children, I hope you will not do things in our home. Next, these are the things we have learned. These are the good habits, isn't it? These are the things we should follow. Children, I hope you all understood my home and the things we should not do in our home. Okay, children. Next, for your home assignment, you have to complete the given PDF and send it in the WhatsApp group, children. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.